What is up, guys? It's Matt from Buffalo Pokemon Club. Today I got 6 packs here to open, and we're gonna open these 6 packs. Let's go. We need to get some good pulls. Still been waiting, still trying to get some good stuff, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can watch me open up this stuff. Constantly opening up stuff, so make sure to check out my other videos. Oh, Meowth. Alright. Got a Meowth here. That's a nice one. I already have that one, but that's still nice. Nice to pull. Let's see what we're gonna get here. If we're gonna get any luck in these packs, we need them now. We need all the luck we can get right now. I still got a lot of cards I need for the set, so let's see what we can get out of these packs. Yeah, nothing. I already have that card. I don't get excited about that card. I keep pulling that card. Let's go, let's go. We need another card here. Need another good card here. We have not gotten anything special in these cards. We need to get something good. Let's go. Let's see what we get here. Nothing in that one, guys. Nothing in that one. Okay, let's keep on moving. We're still doing all right. Hope everyone's having a good day. Let me know what you guys have been getting. It's 30th anniversary is coming up on the 27th, I think, right, guys? So let me know if you guys are excited about that. All right, let's see what we got in this one. We're looking for a good one. We're looking for some good stuff here. We need Charizard. We need Charizard. Nothing. Nothing in that one, guys. 2 more packs left. We're gonna save the Charizard for last. I don't know, I might have to start buying some cards. I don't know. I don't have many more packs to open of the Phantasmal. I might have to buy a couple cards for the Master Binder. I really didn't want to have to buy them, but I might have to. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right. I already have that card, so not the best, but I'll take it anyways. So last pack magic, last pack magic, last pack magic. Let's go, Charizard in the Charizard pack. Can we get some luck here? Let me know down in the comments what you think of the video, guys. Let's get into this last pack here. If we can get anything. That's it, guys. That's all we got. That's all we got today. Not too bad, but not the best. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Hit that follow notification button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.